On the sound around us, we talk a lot about energy, the energy in music, in rooms, and in the way we move through a day. And lately I have been thinking about how mornings set that tone because if the energy is off early, it follows me for the rest of the day. That is why I started using Strong Coffee Company. Their black instant blend is not just coffee. It is organic coffee with 15 grams of protein, MCTs, and adaptogens. You get bold flavor, focus, and clarity without the jitters or the crash, and it still tastes like real coffee instead of some fake health drink. I like that it is quick, convenient, and easy to keep in the routine whether I am recording, editing, planning, or just trying to start sharp. If you have been looking for a healthier and more productive way to start your day, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Go to strongcoffeecompany.com and use promo code SOUND for 20% off any product. That is code SOUND for 20% off, and yes, I do earn a commission when you use it, which directly supports the sound around us. Better mornings, better focus, and better energy from the first sip through everything that comes after. On the sound around us, we talk a lot about performance, mental, creative, and physical, and lately I have been thinking about what actually fuels that. We upgrade our tech, and we upgrade our environment, but we do not always upgrade what we put into the body that has to carry all of it. That is what made Civil Life stand out to me. It is a patented microalgae superfood with over 50% plant protein, essential amino acids, fiber, and antioxidants.
You only need 1 teaspoon a day, and it supports gut health, energy, skin, hair, and the kind of internal reset that is easy to stay consistent with.
What I like most is that it is bioavailable, which means your body can actually absorb it instead of letting it sit in the cabinet pretending to change your life. It is one of the most nutrient-dense whole plant options out there, and it is easy to work into the kind of real routine people can keep. If you want to try it, go to zivo.life and use promo code SOUND at checkout for 30% off any product. That is the highest discount available, and if you use the code, I earn a commission while you support your health and support the show. 1 teaspoon, one better choice, and a cleaner daily rhythm that is actually realistic to keep going. If you are anything like me, you love a good night out, great music, good people, and maybe a couple of drinks, but the next morning does not always bring the same energy. That is why I want to tell you about liqueur gummies. They are designed to help prevent next-day hangovers without making the night feel complicated. They use ingredients like DHM to help your body break down the toxic byproduct from alcohol, plus milk thistle, B vitamins, electrolytes, and ginger root. The goal is simple: less fatigue, less nausea, less dehydration, and a better shot at waking up refreshed instead of wrecked. They are fruity, portable, and easy to take whether you are heading to a party, a dinner, or just relaxing with friends for the night. It is one of those simple add-ons that can make a real difference the next morning without asking you to overthink the plan. If you want the discount from the original ad, go to liqueur.com and use promo code SOUND at checkout for 20% off your order. That is the highest deal available, and when you use the code, I earn a commission that directly supports the sound around us. Wake up clear, stay in tune, and enjoy the sound around you a little more the next day.